Well, go on, traders. Yeah, the traders here again. All right, guys. So we have, great stuff going on with Mullen, guys. So I'm just gonna dive right into it. As usual, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like and don't forget to hit the subscribe if you want to get the early notification. I do these videos first thing in the morning, like an hour or two before the stock market opens. So let's get right into it. So I was taking a look at a Twitter that came in, and this Twitter person was usually posts a lot of stuff about Mullen. This is Marianne Urich. Pardon me for the pronunciation, but this Twitter person was saying this is just her opinion still. I think Mullen is a sleeping giant, and when it comes up, we might all bow and tremble. That's pretty, very bullish in terms of what she think will be happening. The volume is evident, if is evidentiary of a huge interest and future prospect. Holding is essential. So that's what her opinion is. So I was taking a look at this another Twitter post that was, I don't know where this guy had gotten this from. So it's from Andy Trades. So he was saying, I didn't even know this background. I don't know how true it is. So pardon if my pronunciation is not the greatest, but it says Geode Capital State. I wouldn't even try to pronounce that. Nord Trust Corp and Citadel. Mullen is currently the number 4 most discussed stock on stock tweets, right behind AMC, Tesla, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin. Mullen is a successor company from Coda Automotive, one of the OG EV companies from the 2000 when it was basically just them and Tesla. When Coda product line never took off, the company invested billions in battery management systems, drivetrains, and other technology that makes EVs more effectively, and giving Mullen a significant advantage. Mullen already blew away the competition when it revealed the potential of a 150 kilowatt hour battery pack that delivers over 600 plus miles range, highlighting a 8 minutes DC fast charge which can yield over 300 miles of range. And it goes on to say a bit more. So guys, that's I didn't know of that background. I don't know if this information is correct, but just wanted to share it with you. So what's going on with Mullen, guys? Let's take a look at the charts. So let's zoom in and take a look at the 5 minute. So as you can see here, guys, Mullen is doing its thing, guys. We have rejected the 10 cent. We are not staying below the 10 cent, guys, and we are pushing, guys. So yesterday Mullen went up during the day all the way to 10.94, came back down to 10.27, and look at what's going on in the pre-market, guys. We retested the 11.45. We're down to 11 right now, guys, but I ain't complaining. Any green day with Mullen is a good day for me. So let's take a look and see what's going on with Yahoo Finance. So before we get to Yahoo Finance, there is also this that came out before. Just want to share this with you guys. Mullen stock alert. Mullen secures 110 million in funding, and it goes on to say Mullen Automotive will receive 90 million of capital by May 15th in exchange for Series D preferred stock and warrants. And the company also entered in promissory notes worth 20 million. Mullen stock is down by more than 65% year to date. And it goes on to say who is involved with the Series D warrants, all that stuff. So guys, you can do a deeper dive into that, take a look at that. but for the sake of the length of the video, I won't I won't be going into that. All right, so let's take a look at Yahoo Finance. So as you can see on Yahoo Finance, guys, we are green again, guys. 2 days of green. I ain't complaining. So yesterday's stock went up almost 6%. Pre-market 2.5%. Market cap has not been come out a lot since yesterday. We're at 216, now it's at 228. So give and take 12 million added in terms of market cap. So that's okay. I am holding. In terms of the volume that came in, we came in a little bit below the average volume, 208 compared to 248. And Mullen compared to the overall market, the TSX was basically flat, S&P basically flat, Dow basically flat. So Mullen is doing great compared to the overall market. If we take a look at the comps, Rival up 16%. I think there's a merger that is I don't know if it's a rumor or news, but a merger that should be happening with Arrival. But I would say, guys, be careful with this, because usually you buy the rumor and sell the news. So if you were in Arrival before and it ran up, that is when you should have sold it before the news came out. But this is an anomaly, so I wouldn't pay much attention to that. So in terms of the other comps, Lucid up 4%. I think there is information with regards to private investors pumping money into Lucid on a whole, so it has pushed the stock up. And Neo basically flat, Rivian up 2%. So overall, guys, Mullen has been killing it compared to other stocks, other EVs. I think even Tesla fell yesterday. So let's take a look and see what's going on with the options. So options that came in 20,000, lower than our normal 30,000 for Mullen. Options for this week 16,000. Options for next week, we are now up by another 1,000 plus, so it's now 106,000 for next week, guys. So as I said before, it seems like everyone is betting that the stock is going to run up, or at least attempt to run up by maybe not next week, but the following week, when the Russell comes into effect, in terms of the deadline for the Russell on the 28th of April. So they're betting that the stock is going to run by then. And then long term, in terms of the options, we are basically holding steady in terms of open interest at 92,000, and for 2024, and for January 2025, 126,000. So guys, overall, Mullen is doing what we wanted to do, guys. So if we take a look at the RSI, which I don't know why my computer is a little bit slow, but if we take a look at the RSI, we can see that we didn't come all the way down to the oversold territory. We are now pushing back up, and we are above, heading back to the overbought territory, guys. So that's not a bad sign. It's more a positive sign. And in terms of the MACD, we are green again, guys. We are green again. So it's looking pretty positive for Mullen. So what we want to see right now is for Mullen to maintain this curl. So as you can see, we have a little curl here. We want to see it curl up, and we want to see it retest this level, the 1690, guys. So seems like we found the bottom, which is pretty good for Mullen, and things are looking up. Sorry about that. All right, guys, so that's kind of what I have for you for today. So as usual, don't forget to hit the like, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys, take care.